Hello, we are now in next tutorial, or first, what does it matter which one tutorial this is? Only what matters is how you use your resources, any of these resources. These actually, are very hard to get when you are a new player, except if you join in battle with quite a small fleet that is easy to repair and hope that that other player that is already fighting it can win it, because you get Xeno crystal and Xeno fragments if you and that player manage to win the battle. If you don't win, you get less, but every destroyed Xeno ship gives some kind of amount of resources. But I do not think that is important to new player to get Xeno researchers. And Oxylium, that is not actually important to new player. So we don't focus on it now. We focus on ore, helium-3, and pirate. So, first we need resources, and we have research lab. What you need to do is focus on Javelin, Swarm rockets. Also repair drone is new and it's quite a good. And third is normal repairing. Try to get as much repair, swarm and javelin as you can. Those are most important when you try to farm resources. And also, if you need, Fighter Bay is good for farming resources, but it's quite expensive on CPU because you cannot put many fighter bays on one ship. Same is repair drone. It's quite expensive to use because it cuts the CPU of your ship, which otherwise goes into other weapons and other fittings which give defensive bonuses or something like that. But Javelin Mark 1, Swarm Rocket Mark 1 is starter, and if you get someone to feed you repair drone tech, that is absolutely good. And actually Mycorp is quite a friendly about new players, so Dubstep Demons, quite a weird name, but Dubstep Demons are new player friendly corp, and I'm its leader. I'm Haste Killer otherwise, and I'm here because I wanna help. I make tutorials. So next, you need to get workshop level up, control center level up, shipyard level center up, shipyard, what the and drone bay. Here are your light, medium and heavy drones, which are some kind of certain period of time until you can get resources and send them back. First, you have only resources. You can only put them on resources. So you get random resources, and if you level up enough your drone bay, you can get few more things to send them. Actually, ore, pirate, helium, ship parts, research, I said that already. And then finally, when you hit level 9 drone bay, you can send them on trader stock, which means you can get chips, those silver chips, every time they come back. And I say it's quite a profitable to put them when you hit 9 level drone bay, to put them always trader stock, which my opinion. But research is also important, so put them on the research would be good for tech that you otherwise cannot get because your ships are too low leveled. Damn, my phone is dumb. Well, and our corp is Dubstep Demons. And in the link description of our corporation is my YouTube channel's URL code. My bad English again. And it says that we are overall rank 22 in rank of corporations, which means we are quite a good corporation that helps new players. So quite well, I have to say. And now I think our tutorial is finally over. So use your resources with the priority of getting as much resources as you can. So if you use your resources in ways that you can get more resources, it's win-win. You lose resources less than you get. So I say again, javelin, swarm rockets, repairing, and also if someone feeds you repair drone tech, it's plus good, OP. And now, as we can see, our light drones are back. Recall,
reward received,
and trader stock gives those silver chips. Then dispatch. First what you can get is only resources. Mixed found. And then ore, helium and pirate. When you get level 3 drone bay. And then wreckage cores that give you ship cores and other stuff. And long range scanners that find research is wreckage research, and the final one is trader stock. So I'm gonna put them against to trader stock, or I just put on ore. But I think I put trader stock as always. And this upgrade section in this in here tells how much you need to upgrade more. Mine is just enough. I cannot upgrade it now. So most important is get resources, use them on actually good farming setup, which is javelin, swarm, repair, and also repair drone if you get someone to feed, because it's pain in the ass to get it. And then upgrade control center, upgrade workshop, upgrade shipyard and drone bay. Research lab is not that important because it's only how fast your research goes. And that's nothing that is important more than these three in the left, near the left corner. Again it's okay, we are now finished. So leave a comment if that helps, and otherwise, if you don't have anything good to say, please don't even comment. Insulting is not good. It only pisses off people. And actually in this game, insulting gives good chance that your corp, if you are in corp, suffers because they become attacked, or you become continuously attacked by people who you insult. So keep calm and play the way that you want, but if you start to insult in general chat, it leads to you to get plenty of bounty on your head and everyone start to attack you. And no one takes you in the corp because you are insulting everyone. It's all. Thanks, leave a like and watch and subscribe, whatever. But mostly important, if you have new players in this game who you know, please tell him to watch these tutorials in my channel. It helps a lot. So, thank you.